And I'm not looking at you weird anyway. Photos, when I printed them, those printed together. So all I did was trim the outside edge down to match the white spaces between the photos instead of cutting the photos apart. Where's it gonna go? Where's it gonna go that I have to keep an eye on it? Okay. And if it falls, what am I gonna do about it? I'm inside. Oh, okay. I'll let you know. Alright. I'm sorry, patent's a pain. And that strip there, that is, alright, that is a branding strip, of course, as you could see. Oh my gosh, patent. So the frames are Pretty Little Studio Indian Summer. And the die cuts that I'm going to use are Pink Paisley's Truly Grateful. $28. $28. And sorry, and the sunshine is cut from one of the patterns, but I don't know manufacturer or anything. In. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, sweet. He's going to run to the stop sign. That's really going to get rid of some energy, man. Woo. Okay, so I'm also going to use the title Best Moments. Leaves, flowers, and the frames are Pretty Little Studio. Oh, wow. You did faster. 25. You did 25. You can go faster running than you can riding your scooter or bike. Yeah, but still on your scooter, you don't go that fast. Yeah. She's looking at you like, hey. I suppose if you pulled the screen out, Ginger, you could go outside, but then who knows if you'd come back. You'd probably get scared and run off. Alright, so the layered sticker is Pink Paisley's Pink Fresh Studio, sorry. Just a little lovely. And now I'm going to do my title, which a lot of fun is American Crafts Main Squeeze Stickers. And logo is Pink Fresh Studio, just a little lovely. Why is he lost? He's going back and forth. His truck too. Oh, he has a ladder in his back. Oh, it's a white truck. Yeah. I don't know. There's a lot of people around. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. So once I get my title down, that is going to complete my layout. So when I have more down, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.